What is up, guys? It's your boy, Dr. Magkakaiba, back with another video. And today we're going to be baking a Father's Day cake. So you're going to need the following ingredients. Feel free to screenshot. And then after that, let's get baking. Okay, everyone. So the first thing you're going to want to do is to transmute the soul into this case. How are we going to do that? Well, obviously through violence. Wait. Oh, wait, there. I think it got transmuted. Nice. After that, you're gonna wanna cook it with 3 pieces of godiva or any kind of chocolate you like. And then just let it bake in this microwave for a couple of minutes. By the way, just to make time go faster, I'm gonna eat this watch, which I think you guys should definitely do as well. Yep, that was pretty good.
A few minutes later.
Oh, it beeped. I think it's done now and the 2 minutes has been done, so we got ourselves a cooked soul, everyone, with chocolate. Step 3, and this is definitely important. Alright, step 4, you get the cooked soul, but you have to season it with a bit of shampoo, the strawberry jam, and the 2 pieces of medicine. And just like that, we got ourselves some olives. Now, next step is kind of weird. You charge yourself with the olives. Alright, I put this into my vein. I'm just gonna squeeze. Oh. Alright, now I'm charged. Pretty good. Alright, next step, and this one is probably the final step. Strangle this person who we thought was dead, but hi, I'm alive. Yep. Still alive, just soulless. So what we do, strangle for 15 minutes.
A few minutes later.
And, okay, wait for it. There we go, guys, we got the Morbius cake. It's the perfect cake for Father's Day. I hope you guys enjoyed this. And remember to give your dad a Morbin time and a happy Father's Day, everyone. Bye-bye.